most of the time your self-interpreting seems to coincide with what's deep inside your heart's desires. Seems rather convenient, doesn't it? I'm not saying that God can't do it, not saying that God won't do it, that might very well be the case. I'm simply making an observation of how much weight you place on it, what seems to be at stake, and how much of your faith is actually banking on it, and how much of your mysticism is mixed with your religious philosophic system. Sometimes what we believe to be true from our supernatural pursuits is actually a fluke, a series of events that's used to distract you from the truth. But I'll give you a sign it's obvious. One of the most supernatural acts is that God through His word has actually revealed everything pertaining to life and godliness. There's this